Hello everyone, it's Lillian here from Cuisines and Wellness. To our returning subscribers, I say welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, you are most definitely welcome. Today we have something special for our coffee lovers. It's been making rounds on the internet, TikTok, Snapchat. It's called the Dalgona coffee or whipped coffee. Without further ado, let's get right into it. To prepare this, you'll be needing a clean bowl. It doesn't necessarily have to be as transparent as mine. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, instant coffee, and water in equal proportions. Using your whisk or mixer, either manual or electric, whisk until fluffy, smooth, and creamy. This process could be a little bit messy, so you have to be really careful while doing it. Also guys, whenever you try out any of our recipes, you can easily tag us. We are on Instagram and Facebook. Just click on the links in our description box to follow. After whisking, get half cup of milk. Here, I've got my milk with some ice cubes in it. Scoop the coffee mixture into the cup. You can just play around with it. You create any design of your choice, like what I'm doing here. Voila, creamy, fluffy coffee. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.